Welcome to Venturo Family Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have me, Noel, and my little brother, Neville. Today we have 3 experiments. Do you want to know? Watch until the end. For the first experiment, we need paint, milk, soap, cotton bud, and food coloring. For the first step, we need to pour milk in the plate. Pour. Yeah. Food coloring. The next step, we need to put food coloring in the plates. Come on. That's it. Oh, yeah. Berapa? 2, 1. Cukup, kecil. Pak, this. Biru. Wow. Ini nggak bisa. Ada biru. Ini apa? Warna apa ini? Tadi adik udah pakai. Seahorse.
You can add more
You can.
dot on the.
Oh yeah,
the
the
milk.
yellow. The yellow. We need more yellow. I need more red. I need more red.
More. You need more color on your plate.
Me?
Yes.
They got more color.
Yes.
And I just want one more. Just gonna put it in the middle. There we
More.
go. Wait, what? More red on the blue.
Okay.
That's
Okay,
a lot
that's
of color.
good.
Going into it.
Alright, that's
Blue.
good.
Done. For the third step, we put cotton bud and put it in the soup. And then let's try to put it in. Wow! It looks so cool. Masih di yung middle. It looks so cool.
Wow.
Yellow. It's mixing with blue and red. It's all red. I want to use the other side. It's going to change. I'm mixing the soap.
Just try to keep the cotton bud.
Whoa.
Take one more soap and keep it inside the milk.
Huh? One more and then milk.
Yep.
Looks so cool. And all the colors are mixing. I'm doing this. Wow, it looks so cool. I wonder what. Let's ask Mama.
Jadi, tadi sabunnya itu melarutkan lapisan lemak yang ada di susu. Sehingga ada perubahan pada tekanan di permukaan susunya.
Jalan-jalan.
Jadi, karena begitu terlihat apa?
Jalan.
Iya, warnanya seperti berjalan, bergerak, menjauhi cotton bud. Karena cotton budnya ada
sabun.
Gimana? Do you understand?
Yes. No.
Oke.
Now we're moving on to the second experiment. For this experiment, we need oil in a cup, food coloring 3 food coloring, pipette, and 3 waters full of water. And the anti-crash. For the first step, we need to put food coloring in each cup, 2 drops. 1, 2, already. 1.
It's enough.
Stop. That's it. And the last one, it's okay. That's already. 1, 2.
Enough.
I want to store it. Oh, and then I'm just going to store it. And then we're gonna stir it. Next one.
Stop.
In the next step, we're gonna get the pipette and put it in the water and get some water in it. And then put it in the oil. The next one. Oopsie. It's changing. Next. The last one. Whoopsie. Too many. Whoa! Again. Oops. Keeps mixing the colors. Whoa! Bagus banget. Keren banget. Wow, awesome. I wonder how it works. Let's ask Mama. Papa.
Jadi, itu tuh terjadi karena ada perbedaan berat jenis antara air sama minyak. Berat jenis siapa yang lebih besar? Air. Jadi, ketika airnya diteteskan ke minyak, airnya langsung turun ke bawah. Tidak mengapung atau bercampur. Noel sama Neville sudah paham?
Yes.
Oke, good job.
Now we're moving on to the third experiment. For this experiment, we're gonna need soap, water, food coloring, 3 food coloring, honey, and oil. Oil smells good. like someone cooked it and then we're going. The first step, we're gonna put food coloring in water, soap, and honey. Hey, Ate. How many drops?
2 drops enough.
One.
Enough.
That's enough. Open mine.
Enough.
And last one. Oh. And tissue. Is that enough?
Drops. More.
More. Tissue. There, that's enough. My hands are dirty. Now we're gonna mix it.
Soap, blue soap.
Blue soap.
Soap.
The white turned into blue.
It looks like gold blue.
Yeah.
Diamond. So that's like what?
The same.
Why does this looks like blue?
Here. Tissue. Well,
Smells same.
Go.
the last step, we're gonna put all of the things into this cup. First, we're gonna put this soap.
The soap is not different. It's not changing the other one. Oh, I'm gonna hit that. Water time.
Nope, not yet.
Water.
Next one, water.
Next. Oil. Okay. The green water is not doing nothing.
And then the oil.
Oil. Nothing happens. Making bubbles everywhere. That's the last cup. Ruler. What do we have to do? Just start? What's going to happen is...
Wow, it's
Boy.
wow.
And good.
Wow, amazing. I mean,
Awesome.
It
Awesome.
works.
Awesome.
Ask Mama.
Awesome.
Ya.
Awesome.
Bagus banget ya. Noel, ingat nggak percobaan kedua tadi, eksperimen kita yang kedua? Mengenai berat, jenis. Jadi kira-kira
Yes.
keempat bahan ini punya berat jenis yang sama atau berbeda?
Berbeda.
Yuk, kita
Or
urutkan.
different.
Yes, kita urutkan yuk. Dari berat jenis yang paling ringan sampai berat jenis yang paling berat. Pertama yang paling ringan adalah
Oil.
oil,
And then water.
water,
And then salt.
soup,
And
and
then honey.
honey. Nah, makanya dengan kita tahu berat jenisnya, kita bisa ngerti ya, ini ada perbedaannya.
dia udah
Mereka
bilang.
tidak akan bisa bercampur. Oke.
Bye-bye.
Now those are all of our 3 experiments. You can try this at home. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!